Open a Nedbank My Goals and Just Save account. Register on nedbankcup.co.za to stand a chance of winning money, 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 money. Welcome to my friends on TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Sibanye 2. I'm joined by Ubongs No Wonderful.
Thank you, Stivo.
Fede member.
Thank you, Njayab.
Wena member.
How's it, Mr. Siwo?
I'm Nandi member.
Thank you very much.
Makhosi angithi.
Yes.
Akubeni clear uyangithola.
Stivo thina yayazi asinodlala neteam encane free agents inzona lezo.
Ngiyibulala kusasa.
Thina hayi.
Amadawana athi anibuyi.
Inzona lezo.
Siyakufayina.
Bona amadawana bayenzeni, Stivo?
Yes.
Okay, Stivo, I want us to discuss this.
Talk.
Ever since Miguel has arrived,
Cardoso.
let's talk about his formation.
Yes.
His formation has always been 3 at the back.
Right.
How is that working out for him?
I don't know.
Not that well, my man.
Not that way.
They've conceded in the last 2 games.
Yes.
They were playing careful last week, and I did say Sundowns is not intimidating anymore.
True.
That is disappointing from a team that spends so much money.
Hey.
The money that they spend and the result that they have on the field are 2 different things.
As far.
As fun, Baf.
Stivo, as a goalkeeper, again.
Ukeeper.
Uyidlalile Nedbank. Batshela ukuthi uyidlalile
Back in the day,
modlala.
into zakudala ngisekho lapho. Decide ukuthi ngisebenze ngengqondo, Stivo.
Yes.
Stivo, if you look ukuthi we have the best goalkeeper in the continent.
Ronza.
Consider 2 goals today.
Yes.
Against a team that even plays like part-time.
Yes.
These guys like PH akhulumile ukuthi labantu la
Bachayise ngo3.
yabona even nama game abawadlalayo ngama weekends bashaya imbombi
Badlala baphuzi.
labantu bashaya labantu badlala beshaya imbombi laba but they were still able to get 2 goals against the best goalkeeper in the continent. So Stivo, mina into ngifuna ukuyisho ukuthi if you check the formation it's not working out. This 3 at the back, if you check the goals on target that we have went through against a goalkeeper, it's Ronan Williams. I love you, my God. I love you, my son. You are the GOD, man. You are the coach. Even if it is Dennis Onyango.
Yes.
The goalkeeper has always had to save them.
Yes.
The goalkeeper has always had to save Sundowns in all these risky situations. The goalkeeper has had to come through. What I'm saying, Wuchi, with these 3 at the back, and with the pressure that you are pulling on Ukoza, if you check Igole Engenile last week,
yes,
Ukoza was the last man on the side.
Yes.
Because the 4 is in the middle. Ukoza was the last man on the side, and then Ukoza tried to Ogoti I keep people.
Yes.
But when Mege try to keep people, why keep to the winger.
True.
And then the winger was able to Gucci afage a cross, and then Mege Fagi cross in my case was able to score header. Wonder boy. Junior. Keza Junior. Cala umbhekile mfana. Yekela Morris.
Morris ngimsayinile.
Abakhulumi.
Khosi. The man of the match.
Abakhulumi.
For me, man of the match has to be our supporters Usibani.
Why?
They came through.
They gave us free tickets, by the way.
They represented. Besides that, they represented.
Yeah.
They were present.
Yeah.
I feel like Sundowns needs to be more intimidating for the money that they spend.
Yes, true.
They don't really show the result of investment.
Bacheleng uSales mfana.
Sales, you can't spend 60 million on Sales, where else our police is like 11 million at most.
Yes.
Titus
Titus is like 15 million at
Hey.
most.
15 million. Titus,
Local play.
The rate of return
I would rate Titus
is
at
not
15
substantial,
million.
my brother.
For 60 million, that AFL money went to
Sick.
Salis, but Yo.
So what I'd say is that
That's where you have to calculate your
Sundowns
losses,
needs- Sundowns
and say,
needs to
"Good,
pick up their
I
socks."
lost."
they have to pick up their socks.
Yeah.
They have to present themselves as a team that is big on the continent.
That's true.
Stibo, check. Who were the most consistent players in today's game?
Tell me.
It was Ronan Williams, it was Koza, it was Salis.
Pay.
Who was the most expensive out of the three?
Sales.
Thank you.
Who did the most out of the three?
Ronza.
I don't know.
You can't even say Ronza because he considered he considered 2 goals against Miners.
Thank you, Mr. Steve.
Aye, Mafet, before
He considered 2 goals against Miners,
Hey.
but otherwise it's Thibo
Before the
kunalezi esizishaya yokusasa
Free agent.
Guys, trouble.
esozishaya mahala
5-0.
5.
And no, 16.
sozishaya
I
mahala
said
Seven.
8.
Hey, Thibo, thina singama agent omahala for lezi to lezi ubani lephume eRussia le abayisayinile bathi he can only play for South Africa,
Yeah.
for South African teams. Ubani lephume
I
eRussia
don't know him.
ngicala simbhekeni.
Remember, Buffett, uvula nama-account, Buffett, my goals.
Thank you.
Just save,
I mean, I'm already on NetBank.
You're already on NetBank. That's easy for
I'm
wena.
gonna go.
Yes,
I'm gonna
just
operate.
register,
I'm
member.
gonna operate on the highest
Every week
level.
nemali elahlile.
Mina Sithibo ngike ngayivula but ngisuke ngaba broke yabo.
Hayi, le nto leya
What am I so right?
ivulwa ngeshoko.
Yeah,
Tiger, fine.
ngisho the way babone ngakhona ukuthi the way drang ngakhona basuke bayivala.
Yeah.
Kodwa ngiyabuya.
Come back.
Ngiyabuya.
Come back.
Ngiyabuya.
Come back.
Ngiyabuya.
Come back.
Angifani ne free agent. Ngiyabuya.
Thank you.
Anginoshower.
Thank you.
Angiyona free agent mina.